This like the 10th retake. For real. Let me tell y'all something. Oh shit. This the one. This the one. Hey, for real though, y'all. This the one right here. Got my third shot. Trying to retake. I might do a bloopers one day. But there ain't no more retakes. This the one. This coming straight from my camera to y'all. So I'm Bam on that, everybody. I'm the one who created Black Stock Investors for Beginners. Honestly, it was just like a group for probably like 10 or 15 people that was on my page that seemed like they was interested in stocks. They actually signed up through my link. And I said, that's what's up. I appreciate that. And not only that, if y'all did that for me, I need to dig a little harder and I need to learn a little more, you know what I mean, about the stock market. Because it's like, I never like to lead nobody in the wrong direction. And we got all the scares about the stock market and everything. But I had a situation that I was in some years ago, and I ended up meeting a guy in prison. White guy. Come to the library every day. He showed me how to create charts from pen and paper. And he was looking at the newspaper and he would tell me the price of stocks. And he like, write it down and we're gonna draw a graph and we're gonna graph it. That way he can determine where that stock was going. It was deep. It was deep. I'm blessed now that I'm out here and I don't need no newspaper because the information was delayed. I'm in real time, baby. But that man was going to the hole over trading stocks. That's when I knew that it was a serious thing. And I said, well, and he said, I don't mind showing you because don't nobody never come to the library for this section of the newspaper. That's what's up. Me telling y'all that I've been to prison and all that should give you a little bit of background on me. Did my time several times like a man. Took my cases on the chin. Did my time. Come home, live again. At the same time, I'm not no dummy. So I met a lot of intelligent people. Like I said, I met a guy who was trading stocks in the penitentiary. And he told me you can get a lot of money like this. You know, he was doing a lot of time too. He was upset. Now that I trade stocks, I said, oh, he probably going crazy. He was going crazy. It wasn't even the time killing him. It was the time killing him. Away from the market. In real time. But I ain't trying to talk about nobody else. Because I'm talking about these issues at hand I got right now. This is a stock group, man. It wasn't meant for what it's became. Like, no. Nah, man. It ain't. I didn't build this group to make no money off of nobody. Like, I didn't. Like, no. I built it to say, hey, if you want to take a stab at it, this is what I'm interested in. This is what I see. This the hot stock right now in this sector. I tell people, like, my validations come from my losses. Like, I don't sit here and tell you, like, man, I'm just winning. I'm winning. Out of 50 trades, I got 49 of them won. I'm the truth. I'm the best in the world. No, it's not like that for me. No. No, it's my first year doing this. And being that I already had a little money and shit, like, I could afford to risk stuff that other people couldn't. I've lost some money. My public account that I'm about to start for y'all, I pulled the money out. I pulled it all out. I pulled out my money out. I was like, I'm done with this shit. Like, I'm done with it. I'm gonna pay some bills and fuck the market for right now. Because ain't nobody help me in this market. I end up bumping into a guy through eBay. I'm a reseller. Like man, I'm a reseller. I like reselling. I like reselling shit. Like, and he always talking about the stock market and telling me how much he making and you can do this and that. So that was cool. I said, what do I need to learn? Like, you got any tips for me? And one day before he started charging people, because I see like this is what it leads to. Like, I asked the man for no info, just a few tips, cause the info out there, and it's like I'm not really trading nothing if it ain't textbook. If it ain't textbook, I'm cool. You see these books? If it ain't in that, man, I'm all right. This is lifestyle in here though. But anyway, I just started this year. This is like since March to now. It's 11th month. 8 months. Damn. I done lost 5 figures in 8 months. I'm not gonna count my wins. I always think about my L's. Like my L's, like, oh Lord. But in any business you gonna lose some money. When you get into the business of this, like shit, you liable to lose some money. All my L's though, y'all know about my L's because I was trying something. I wanted to see this, see how this works. I lose. Oh well, 100 here, 200 there. I don't care. That's how it was for me. Like, I don't care. I'm learning. I'm paying for my education. Now I can go back and tell a motherfucker, don't do this, don't do that. Like, I wouldn't try that like that because of experience. And I'm still in my first year, but I done ran it up trying everything. Like, trying mash the wrong shit. And no, I found some winning strategies. Cause like I said, I ain't just lose. No, I found some winning strategies. Am I gonna give it to y'all all at once? Hell no. I want y'all to take this shit slow. This ain't no jump in and just go ho and you up. Nah, cause you gotta respect your losses. Every time you win, somebody lose. You know what I'm saying? And you want to respect that, man. I want y'all to be humble traders. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these guys that I've been seeing talking about me, because the guys who I consider the professionals, they don't mention the soul. They don't say, I don't know who you get your information from. They don't do none of that. They tell you what it is. In my group, you ain't never seen me talking about how somebody else directing or trying to get y'all to play the game. No. In my group, I tell you what it is. Like, you can utilize this strategy. I'm not gonna do nothing else. Like, that's really what I do. You're not paying me. I don't want to pay me. Just pay attention. Man, dude. One day I'm gonna really talk about this motherfucker, like, when I pull up on him and shit. Like, he'll be in Vegas at some point in time. And I'll be there with you. Because I feel like we need a man-to-man talk. Like, I feel like he made a straight diss video on me, y'all. But that's another story. That's another story. It's like I'm a disruptive company. You feel me? And that's what we looking for, y'all. Disruptive companies. Companies that's just coming in the market and fucking shit up. Period. Period, man. Period, man. You know what I'm saying? That's for y'all females, so y'all can understand where I'm coming from. Period. Period. With the T on the end. Nah, seriously though, like, they got me feeling like I'm a disruptive company. And that's what we looking for. That's the people's choice. Listen, I don't give a fuck if a motherfucker got $1 million in his brokerage account or 10 million in his brokerage account. They still got their eye on that disruptive company that's finna come through and probably hurt their share prices. You feel me? Like I'm gonna get deep with y'all with this, man. Listen, man. I'm sitting up here like, I'm looking at my board right here now. I got a list of companies on my whiteboard over there. And I got me an agenda and everything that I do. I'm gonna show it to y'all one day. It won't be this video. It'll probably be on a YouTube video. And I say this because when I'm starting to be mentioned and talked about on YouTube, oh, this is getting serious for me. I didn't never intend for this to be this. I'm weak. I'm weak as hell. Alright. What I see in the group, I'm looking at my notes too. Like, I'm 1,000. I gotta look at my notes. I gotta make sure I stay on track. Because I get sidetracked because I got a lot on my mind that I really want to say. And I really don't like the camera. Like, I don't like no cameras. I ain't used to take pictures as a kid. Like, I used to be hating on pictures. That's why I'm mean mugging and all of them. But what I see y'all doing in the group on the options. We talking options, y'all. Like, of course, I started off buying shares. I want to buy a bunch of shares and trade them. I was trading them wrong. I've been buying hundreds of shares. I was trading them wrong. And I'm watching y'all. I'm watching y'all wins. I'm happy. I love when you win. Fuck yes. Get that motherfucking money. But you trading wrong. Own the shares. Own the shares. Pick you 5, 10 companies. You might have 30 companies in your portfolio. Listen, man. 5, 10 of them. Make sure you got 100 shares, man. Until you can eventually have 100 shares, man, in all your companies, man. Or more. It's got a limit, right? Okay, listen. I'm telling y'all this, right? Because the option game is where the money at. We know this. If you've been following, you've been in the group for a while, you know the option game is where the money at. Y'all buying calls and puts. Solely just buying calls and puts. Don't do that. Don't do just that. Own the shares. Own 100 shares so you can sell the call. so you can sell the put. You feel me? Like own the shares, man. Cause guess what? It's a very low percentage of contracts that get exercised. And what I mean by exercised is somebody actually says, it hit the strike price, I'm taking these shares, they mines. You feel me? People trading the contracts for the money. It's the money. It's the money. It's the money. It's exponential gains that you can get. And losses. I don't want us on the losing end. When you get the 100 shares, right? You turn around, you bang them 100, you bang a contract. This is an entre contract. You sell it. I'm talking to y'all like y'all on the yard with me and shit. But no, you're gonna sell these contracts. You own this. This your bag over here. I own this. But listen, if you want the bag that I got, here I got a bag. I ain't got a bag. But listen, this imaginary bag right here. You want this bag, bro? Listen, you can buy this bag, but only way you can buy this bag if this price of this bag go for $24, I'll sell it to you at $22. You can get this bag for $22. I don't care, because right now you about to give me $75 just to hold the bag and not sell it to nobody else. All right, this is selling an option contract, right? Listen, man, I'll sell you that, right? But you got a time limit on this. This where theta come in at, right? You got a time limit on this. If this bag I got right here, and November, by Thanksgiving, because I'm sitting there, I'm trying to think what the day is. 11/14. So by 11/30, November 30th, if you don't have, if this share price ain't $24, ain't $22, you probably need $22.75 to break even. Because you probably ain't gonna exercise the contract until it's at $22.75 or better. You might exercise it before that, because guess what? You profiting if you bought it ahead of time. You bought it in a good position. Excuse me, I said it was gonna be a short video. I'm just trying to really sum up what I see in a group when it comes to buying and selling option contracts. I'm like, damn, man, y'all winning. Some of y'all winning. Some of y'all taking some L's. I don't want y'all taking no L's. Even y'all that's winning, I want your wins to be consistent. All right. Buy them shares, man. Some of the wins, man. Go ahead and put that 100 work. Give me 100 shares of that and keep it pushing, man. Listen, man. Then you can sell the contracts on it. Guess what? When you sell the contract on it, say they exercise it up here. They exercise the contract. Nah, you know what? I'm going to stop. That's the end of the video, y'all. I'm done. My main thing is, because see, that's a whole nother video. I'm trying to keep it short. My main thing is, I want y'all to buy the shares. I want you to buy companies you really truly believe in. We're not trading junk. We're not buying companies in debt. We ain't doing that. We buying companies that have money. They already got some money. I'm not finna ride with nobody in debt. I can be in my own debt. So that's my goal, y'all. I want to laugh at you jokers that's dissing me on social media. Y'all funny as fuck to me. And my group wasn't built upon trying to capitalize off my people. My group was only built for like 14 people. 14, 15 people. I want y'all to enjoy y'all night. I really want y'all to make y'all some money though come Monday. I'm definitely gonna be posting something about what may be profitable for us. But like I said earlier, I really only keep track of a couple companies that I'm investing in. I'm looking for a few more. Look, I'm always looking for a few more. That's gonna go from, listen, like plug. I start calling that at 5. That joint at like, what is plug at? I said I was gonna stop this video, but y'all about to get me to talking for real. Plug at $23. And I ain't talking about Neo. Neo even more money. And I told y'all about Neo since like $13. And Neo is at what, 42, 43, whatever. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. I sold it. I made some money, sold it, kept it pushing. Now I'm sitting here thinking like, did I win or did I lose? Because I quit trading and I jump around and man, you don't jump around. But hey, that's the end of the video, man. If y'all don't like the group, it's easy to leave. If you don't like me, you don't care about my swag, it's easy to leave. But guess what? I'm going to keep doing this every single day. My private portfolio, guess what? It's doing like the S&P 500, baby. Damn, I messed up. And then right back up, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey, stay tuned in, man. Since I know I got an audience now, it ain't the regular people. It's people that I just didn't even I didn't even expect. But I got an audience of haters. When I ain't in this, I didn't come in this for animosity, man. I didn't. But when motherfucker wants to smoke, I got you. I'm out.